get some more.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some not car simulator, but car factory. I'm gonna make some new cars because it said we have unlocked for 8,000 the truck. Oh, dude. Oh, not the card. That's so good, dude. Fucking Mario's nice. We're gonna try this car. So let's build it. Build it, 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 build it. Build this area also. But I don't have money for it. Look, so much people are coming. Look at that money though. The money shot, money shot, money shot, money shot, money shot, money shot. There's so much people are coming there. It's enormous though. Wait, how's it just staying there? It's not connected. I know how's what. Okay. Oh, so people are already looking up. Now guys, if you're wondering what music you use in my intro, I'll put it in the description below so you can see it and you can do it yourself. Not do it yourself, that would die. Wait a minute, fucking idiot. You can listen to yourself the full version of a clip of it, of course. So need it for my intro. So while we're building these cars, I'm just gonna answer questions from you guys. And what did I just click? How old are you? I am 10 right now. Me and my friends just wanted to start really a YouTube channel, so we just started one. No, not all of us together. This is only my YouTube channel. We have one YouTube channel. It's called Banana Productions. You should go and check it out. It's a pretty cool channel. I really like it. It's me, my friend Marcus, and my friend Ralph. He's my best friend, Ralph. Marcus, not that much. But yeah. Oh, we're almost built a new car. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. It's not gonna be a really long video actually. Oh, I need a donut. Eat some donuts, dude. Some pink donuts. 24. I don't know what the WFD like. World Pick. Sorry guys, I just really need to sneeze. Oh no, he's down. Man down, man down. There's no people around. Come on, people. I don't understand what they're saying. They're like, I still don't understand. Yo. Oh, donut. Oh, donut. Oh, donut. Donut. I know. I flawed 7? Are you kidding me? Are you actually? You only. What did I unlock? So much cars though. How are we supposed to collect all these? Gotta move. Oh no, you just not social. Oh, what am I clicking? Okay, guys, we need in this episode. Um. Oh my god. The whole Australia is just being taken, or Africa, I don't know where that. Fuck yeah, dude. Okay, guys, we're gonna end this episode. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye, guys. Gotta catch 'em all.